Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording, Vechain continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.01798 mark. Vechain has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and zooming out on the charts to give you my Elliot wave analysis, you can see that after seeing our bear market low at around the $0.01307 mark, we saw that massive bounce to the upper side where we picked in a 5-wave structure in a move that gave us a high above the $0.021 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming weeks, we can continue gearing up and get impulsive in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3. And zooming in on the charts, you can see that I'm terming this as the formation of that wave 1. And there are chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I have a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.01659 mark and the $0.01613 mark, which is an area that we are yet to fully maximize, though you can see that we have managed to get some wicks into the target area, and maybe in the next coming hours we can get one more new low into the target area, get a sweep into the target area, get a low, and then maybe in the next coming hours or maybe days continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the short term. Also jumping to the daily charts to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis here on the Vechain chart. You can see that Vechain back in 2020 gave us those lows before we saw that massive bounce to the upside, getting the all-time high above the $0.28 mark in a move that also completed the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in this ABC corrective move. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming months, once the bull market starts, we can see that impulse to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upper side in a movement that should also take us to new all-time highs. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Vechain chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and if it was, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership